love luxury motorhomes like this one? Make sure you hit that like button right now.
Subscribe for more incredible RV tours and drop a comment telling us your favorite feature.
Imagine a motorhome so epic it makes skyscrapers jealous. Rumor has Kenworth building a $50 million, 6-story road palace. Kenworth, famed for its Class 8 heavy-duty trucks, is blending raw trucking muscle with rockstar-level luxury. We're pulling back the curtains on this unbelievable concept. But before we dive in, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment if you're excited for the ride. Starting at ground level, the massive driver's cockpit feels like first class. Picture a wraparound windshield and giant windows, a digital dashboard and multi-screen heads-up display loaded with smart tech. The captain and co-pilot seats could be full-power massage thrones with heating, cooling, and memory settings. Imagine voice-activated controls, 360-degree camera feeds, and a built-in coffee bar just steps away. Think satellite navigation, LED instrument panels, and even autopilot features for highway cruising. It's a pilot's dream cockpit. But that's just the start. Climb up and see what's next. Climb to the second floor and the surprises keep coming. A gourmet kitchen and full bar take center stage. Think stainless appliances, quartz counters, and a hidden extendable dining table. There could be a wine fridge stocked with champagne and even a walk-in pantry behind a secret door where fine glassware and gourmet ingredients hide in custom cabinets. The lounge boasts theater-grade screens, premium sound, and motorized blinds that dim at night. Glass front display cabinets might show off fine stemware or designer glassware. And yes, a luxury bathroom with heated floors and a rainfall shower hides around the corner too. But hold on, the surprises don't end there. Floor 3 steps into wellness and fitness heaven. We're talking a full gym with treadmills and ellipticals, a weight training rack, and even a compact rock climbing wall. Behind sliding panels might lurk a massage or sauna suite, while a cozy meditation alcove under fiber optic starlights offers zen on the road. There could be TV screens or AR mirrors for guided workouts, and a mini fridge for smoothies. Could an RV get any more over the top? Keep climbing. Floor 4 is even wilder. On the 4th floor, picture the master bedroom suite of your dreams. A king-size bed with leather headboard and skylight above, plus soft mood lighting that mimics sunrise. There could be a private office nook with a fold-out desk and satellite Wi-Fi. Closets and drawers line the walls, storing everything from custom suits to surfboards or snowboards. The en-suite bath would rival any 5-star hotel suite. Think freestanding tub, rain shower, and smart glass for instant privacy. Even a hidden in-floor safe might be tucked away. But the journey isn't over yet. Up on the 5th floor, the party really gets started. Imagine a club-like lounge with a polished dance floor, mirror ball, and surround sound. A full bar with stools pumps drinks across the room. Kids could have a play area with bean bags and video games on one side, complete with fake turf or foam mats for safe play. For entertainment, maybe a VR game room pops out, or sliding panels reveal a karaoke stage. Fiber optic ceiling lights could simulate a starry night sky for the kids. A men's kit section could store anything from a fold-out toolbox to a mini motorcycle. This is basically a private nightclub on wheels. Now get ready. The final reveal is on the roof. Now brace yourself for the topper, the roof deck penthouse. Step out onto a huge sun deck with retractable glass panels overhead. There's a gleaming bar with draft taps and a wine cellar fridge, perfect for rooftop cocktails under the stars. Lounge seating surrounds a built-in fire pit and high-end audio system. And get this, a small indoor pool or hot tub could be on board to cool off. Imagine sunsets up here, or closing the roof for a private club vibe. It's basically a rooftop pool party on wheels. Imagine string lights around the railing and a pop-up movie projector for cinema nights. By now you might be thinking this sounds absolutely unreal, and you'd be right to question it. These wild features come from fan designs, because Kenworth hasn't announced any 6-story RV. For context, today's priciest coaches top out around a few million. The Marchi Element SV is about $3 million, and ultra-custom Newell P50S start near $2 million. A $50 million Kenworth would be in a league of its own. Take it all with a grain of salt, but keep your jaw on the floor. This concept is truly next level. There you have it. a walking tour of the wildest RV concept in America. If you're hooked on insane luxury wheels, hit subscribe now for more deep dives into mega motorhomes and future dream RVs. We've got more epic tours coming your way, and you won't want to miss them.